Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Math Time with Dhanaprasad. So in this video I would like to discuss about 2019 and 18 AP and TS Polyset question and answers, because in previous video we already discussed about important points and formulas of statistics. In this today's class we discuss previous question and answers of AP and TS Polyset 2019 and 18. Have a look at question number 1. For what value of A the raw data 4, 6, A, 9, 10, 19 will have the median 7.5. Here the given data is raw data and median is also given. What you have to find the value of what? A here. So what is the median formula for raw data? So when raw data is given, median depends on what? The number of observations. Let us calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equal to 6, means here 6 observations are there. Let us for shortcut let us cancel this element, this element, this element, this element. We have two values are there in the middle, therefore we have to take its average. What is average? A plus 9 by 2 is equal to what is median? Median is already given, which is what? 7.5. Let us cross multiply this. A plus 9 is equal to, when I multiply 2 into 7.5, it becomes what? 15. When 9 goes that side, it becomes what? Minus 9 is equal to what? 6. So option 1, 6 is what? Right answer. Number 2, if median is equal to 60 and mean is equal to 61, then mode is equal to how much? In previous video, in important points and formulas video, we already discussed the relation among median, mean and what? Mode. We know that mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. Very important formula, we have to remember this. 3 into median. What is median here? 60. 3 into 60 minus 2 into what is mean? Mean is equal to 61. We can simplify this. 3 into 60, 180 minus 2 into 61, 122 is equal to how much? 180 minus 122, which is what? 58. Option 1 is right answer. So this second bit is very important for polyset. Whenever median and mean are given and it is asked to find mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. Question number 3, the arithmetic mean for the ungrouped data. What is ungrouped data? Ungrouped data means only x1, x2, x3, so on, xn. So we discussed it already in a previous video. So for the ungrouped data, mean is sum of all observations by total number of observations, nothing but sigma x by n. So option 2 is right answer. Now question number 4. Find the mean of first 10 odd multiples of 7 here. So we have to find the mean of first 10 odd multiples of 7. What are odd multiples of 7? 1 into 7, 3 into 7, 5 into 7, like that. Let us see here. 1 into 7, 3 into 7, 5 into 7 and so on. I want 10 odd multiples. So see here, the 10 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and what? 19 and so on. 19 into 7. So means 7, 21, 35 and so on, like that. So therefore first 10 odd multiples of 7. 7 should be multiplied with odd numbers. So here 1 into 7, 3 into 7, 5 into 7, 7 into 7 and so on. 19 into 7 are our first odd multiples of 7, for which we want mean formula sigma x by n. Means sigma, we have to add all these values. I have to add 1 into 7 plus 3 into 7, sigma x by n is equal to 1 into 7 plus 3 into 7 plus 5 into 7 plus so on, 19 into 7. What I can take common? I can take 7 common, so that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on plus 19 by what? Here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus so on, 19 is equal to 100. 100 into 7, 700 by 10 is equal to how much? 70. Option 3 is right answer. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? Measures of central tendency is, one is mean, second one is median, third one is mode. Let us see its answer. Mean, median, mode are what? Measures of central tendencies. But I want not a measure of central tendency. What left here? Range. So range is not a measure of central tendency. Range is the difference between smallest value and the highest value available in the data. Question number 6. An organization wants to find out the most popular TV serial and conducted a survey. So which measure of central tendency is preferred for the data? To find most popular serial, we have to use most repeated value, means we have to use mode. So mode is most frequently repeated value in the given data. Therefore, they will use mode. Option 2 is right answer. Number 7, for the data, which of the following is true? So here the given data is 6, 2, 9, 13, 3, 4, 9, 7, 13 and what? 1. So here we have 4 options. Option 1, median is less than, mean is less than mode, and so on. So here we have to calculate all the measures of central tendencies, mean, median and mode. So for mean we have to add all those values and divide with what? Total number of values. Therefore mean is equal to sum of all the values. Sum of all the values is, if I add 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 11, 28 plus 1. Therefore 65 by total number of values 10, which is equal to 6.5 we get. So this is what mean. So we got mean value. Now median. Median is what? We have to arrange the values in ascending order or descending order. Then we have to pick up the middle one. Let us see. So here we have to arrange the data in ascending order. I would like to arrange from small to big. What is small here? 1, after 2, 3, 4. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 we have 6, 7. We have 9, again 9, 9 and 9, then 11 and 13. 11 and 13. So in shortcut, how to find median? Here I am cancelling 4 elements. Here also this side 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 2 values in the middle. I have to take its average. Average means what? 6 plus 7, 13. 13 by 2 is equal to what? 6.5. This is what? Median. So here mean is equal to what? Median. See here, mean is equal to median. We have only one option. This option is what? Right answer. So option 3 is the right answer. We no need to calculate mode, or if you want to calculate mode, which value is repeated in the given data? 9 is repeated twice. Therefore mode is equal to what? 9. Therefore this is 6.5. This is 6.5. Both are equal. Both are less than what? 9. Option 3. For the given data, mean is equal to median but less than what? Mode. Question number 8. Following is the data from a child care center. Find the mode. So in a child care center, this is the age group, this is number of children. Between the ages 0 to 2, there are 5 children are there. Between the ages 2 to 6, 7 children are there. Between 4 to 6 years, there are 3 children, and so on. We have to find the mode of this data. Right? So this is grouped data. This is grouped data. We have to find mode very carefully. So here mode means most frequently repeated value. Let us see here which is more in the frequency. And the frequency, this is 5, 7, 3, 2, 2 and so on. So this is what? Most highest value. Therefore take it as FM, means frequency of the model class. So before that value you have to take F1. After that value you have to take F2. Where L. So therefore mode formula, mode is equal to L plus Fm minus F1 by 2Fm minus F1. Let us substitute the values. L is what? Lower limit, which is what? L equal to 2. Fm is what? 7 minus F1 is what? 5 divided by 2Fm, 2 into 7, 14 minus F1 minus F2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 into I means class interval, length of the class interval 4 minus 2, which is equal to what? 2. Therefore I am simplifying 2 plus 7 minus 5, 2 divided by 14 minus 8, which is what? 6 into what? 2. 2 goes 3 times, 3 goes how many times? Let us see, 2 plus something, which is what? Option 3 is right answer, or 3 goes almost 0.7 6 and so on. Therefore it can be 0.67 plus 2 is equal to what? 2.67. Question number 9, very important. For the following data determine median. So this is weight, means this is x, this is number of students, means what? This is f. So this is ungrouped data. For this ungrouped data we have to find the median. Median means position average. Position means the middle value. So therefore we have to find n, whether it is even or odd, we have to calculate that one. For that we have to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency 4 plus 6 10 10 plus 7 17 17 plus 12 29 29 plus 2 31. So here number of students n is equal to what? 31, which is what? Odd. Whenever odd, so the median value is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term value. So n is equal to 31, 31 plus 1 32, 32 by 2, which is equal to what? 16th term. Where is the 16th term? Up to here 4 students or 4 terms are completed. Up to here 10 terms are completed. From 11th term to 17th term the value is what? 34. So therefore the 16th person, the 16th students weight is what? 34. Option 1 is the right answer. So whenever group data is given, means x values with frequencies. So in exam also the table may be given like horizontally. Therefore you have to take cumulative frequency as third column, write the f and add the cumulative frequencies, you will get. So easily you can calculate whether it is even or odd. Question number 10. The mean of the first n natural numbers. What is the sum of the first n natural numbers? Formula we have n into n plus 1 by 2. This is what? Sum of the first n natural numbers. So divided by n, because n we are adding n numbers here, means sigma x. We are dividing with what? N. So sigma x means sum of the first n natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n, divided by total numbers n, means n into n plus 1 by 2 by n. So here this n goes n plus 1 by 2. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 11. For the data 2, 4, 6, 7, 4, and so on 4, mean minus mode, means here we have to calculate both mean and mode. What is mean? Sigma x by n, sum of all the values divided with what? Total number of values. How many values are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is its sum? 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 4, 23, 23 plus 10, 33 plus so on plus is equal to what? 72, which goes 6 times. Therefore mean is equal to what? 6 minus. What is mode? Mode means most frequently repeated value, 4, 4, 4, 4. So therefore 6 minus 4 is equal to what? 2. Option 2 is the right answer. Number 12. The median of the data 8, 14, 16, 21, x, y, 28, 30, 33, 38 is 25. Means median of the data is given. And one more equation is given here, y minus x equal to 2. Then x is equal to how much? Y is equal to how much? Right? So here the median of the data. Median means after arranging the data in ascending order, we have to take what? Middle values. So let us see here. The data is already given in ascending order. Therefore let us cancel 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values from starting and 4 values from ending. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore what I got? 2 values in the middle. Whenever you have 2 values remaining, we have to take its average. What is average? X plus y by 2 is average. Is equal to how much? 25. Means x plus y is equal to 2 into 25, which is what? 50. To find x and y values, we need one more equation which is already given in the question. Y minus x is equal to 2. If I add these two, plus x minus x cancel, y plus y, 2y is equal to 52. 2y is equal to 52, 2 goes 26 times. See the answers here, 26 is there only in option 2. Therefore we no need to calculate x value. 24, 26, option 2 is the right answer. Question number 13. From which of the following curves we can find median of the given data? Option 1 bar graphs, option 2 histograms, option 3 frequency polygon, option 4 ogive curves. Therefore, option 4 ogive curves is the right answer. Using that curves we can find median of the given data. Question number 14. The sum of the observations of a data is 576. Sum of all observations means sigma x. And arithmetic mean is 18, means what? X bar is equal to 18. Find the number of observations. We have to find the number of observations in the raw data n. Therefore, mean is x bar is equal to sigma x by n. So mean value is already given here. Therefore, what I want, number of observations, nothing but n. By cross multiplication, n comes here. N is equal to sigma x by x bar. Sigma x means the sum of all observations, which is what? 576. Therefore, 576 by x bar means arithmetic mean 18. 18 goes in 57 3 times. 3 18 is 54. 3 left in 36. 18 goes 2 times. 32. Option 2 is right answer. Therefore, whenever sum of all observations and mean is given, this is the formula for calculating the number of observations. N is equal to sigma x by x bar. Now question number 15. The mean of 6, 5, 4, x, 2 is what? 4. So here one unknown value x is there, mean is already given, then x is equal to how much? So here what is our mean formula? See here, x bar is equal to sigma x by n. So here mean x bar is equal to sigma x by n. We have to add all these values. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus one more value is also there, x, divided by how many values are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Mean value is already given, which is equal to what? 4. So therefore, by cross multiplication, 5 comes here, 5 into 4 20. Now 17 goes that side and becomes what? 20 minus 17, which is equal to what? 3. Option 1 is the right answer. Maximum problems are asking on very simple concept, simple formulas. You can easily answer this type of questions. Question number 16. What is the median of 16, 12, 4, 5, 6? So here this is raw data. Raw data should be always arranged in ascending order, means small to big. Let us arrange the raw data in ascending order. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, next 12 and what? 16. So here I want median. Median means position average, which is what? Middle one. I will cancel this side one, this side one, this one, 6. Option 3 is the median and right answer. Median is what? 6. Now question number 17. The mode of the following data: 7, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4. So here 3 is repeated 3 times, 4 is repeated only 2 times. So mode means most frequently repeated value. Here 3 is repeated most frequently. So therefore option 4 is the right answer. 18. The mid values of the class interval used to find arithmetic mean, median, mode and what? None. So the mid values of the class interval. Class interval means here grouped data. For finding arithmetic mean of a grouped data, we used mid values. Means here, so the mean formula is x bar is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. Here x is what? Mid value of the class intervals of each row. Therefore option 1 arithmetic mean is right answer. So with this question we completed AP and TS Polyset 2019 and 18 world question and answers. I think you enjoyed all these problems. They are very easy. You already learnt basic concepts and formulas and these problems. Very good. So in the next video we will discuss 2017 and 16 question and answers. Thank you.